Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this Serbian chef knife from Freelander is going to be your new favorite kitchen tool.
If you're like me, you probably haven't heard of a Serbian knife before, but I think it is super cool. I really appreciate the quality of this. It came in a great little holding case, and let me tell you, this knife is sturdy. This thing is super weighty and really fun to use. I love that it has a full tang and it has this great black coating on it, and I really enjoy the curved shape of this blade. It really makes for a super unique cutting experience when you're using it in the kitchen. I think it cuts vegetables super well. I was able to dice and mince up all of these onions and garlic and some tomatoes for a meal I was making. And I really just appreciate the shape and way that you can use this knife. My favorite thing about it is how big it is, so you can basically scoop up everything and transport it right to the pan, which is just a huge thing for me. I really am completely obsessed with it. I think if you are someone who likes to cook outdoors and camping and you need a new knife to take with you, this is going to be the perfect one for you, especially with that great little sleeve that it comes with.
I love this Serbian chef knife. I think it's super high quality and really makes preparing my meals so much more fun and easier. And that is my point of view.